Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In this video, I'm creating a gorgeous set of 4 rose resin coasters. This was actually a commission order for a client a while back, and I just think these are so pretty. I love the colors that she chose. So I started off with some polycolor gold mica, and I'm just using a paintbrush to brush that gold mica onto the raised areas of the mold, which in reverse, once we pour the resin in, will be the lowered areas in the actual design. So this is going to give it kind of just a golden glow, and I started doing this a while ago and I've just loved it. It goes with just about everything, and you can do this with other colors as well, but gold is my favorite to do with this. So there's no resin or anything else in the molds yet. They're just dry. Now the colors that I'm using, again, are colors that my client chose, are Polycolor Cotton Candy Mica, Alumilite White Resin Dye, and then Alumilite White and Black Resin Dye mixed together to make that dark gray. And then the gold is actually Polycolor Gold Mica mixed with Polycolor Gold Dust Mica to make it a really sparkly gold. So I'm layering these colors each into a smaller cup, and I'm doing these one at a time to make sure that all of the colors get into each coaster. If I layered just a really big cup, the colors would blend more and they would be more likely to be in each coaster in different ratios. Also, you might have noticed, but after I poured the first one, I remembered to spritz my molds with some 91% isopropyl alcohol. This isn't absolutely necessary, but it definitely helps with air bubbles when you have any kind of finely detailed mold, like this one has like the little spots in the middle of it. So it just helps with that. But I do also preheat my resin by putting it in front of a space heater before mixing, so that's not always necessary. It's just kind of a little fail-safe on the air bubbles. So I did the coasters one at a time. Each of these takes, I believe, about 2.5 to 3 ounces of resin, something like that. After I was done with all of them, I spritzed it again with the alcohol and then let it cure. Here is how they look dry, and I think these are just gorgeous. What a beautiful color scheme. I probably wouldn't have thought to do this myself. And even though I'm using the same colors and I layered them all into the cup the same way, they're still all going to come out a bit different, and I actually love that. So again, super pretty. Endless possibility for color combinations with these molds. And in case anyone's worried, yes, they are textured, but they are level and flat on the top, so there's no issue with cups sitting on top of these whatsoever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.